everyone, it's Debbie Lee, Fairvilla's in-house educator, here for today's Fairvilla University Quickie all about pheromones. We hear that word a lot, and so few of us actually know what they are, or how they work, or why they're so important. So as humans, when we sweat, we excrete these chemicals. And when someone else is able to smell them, instead of them smelling them, being aware of what those chemicals are, they're actually taken in through the nose and sent to the olfactory nerve, which then sends it to the hypothalamus and triggers all kinds of emotions. These emotions can be anything from lust to attachment, all different types of feelings. So these chemicals are working for us to send signals to people to let them know, hey, I'm fertile, I'm healthy, I'm exciting, I'm sexy. And you don't even have to say a thing. So as you can imagine, having pheromones is really important. What if you feel that your pheromones aren't doing the job you want them to be doing? Well, you can actually get synthetic pheromones. They come in all different forms. Sometimes they come in linen sprays or in candles. But one of the most popular ways to use pheromones as a human is actually to get perfumes that are made with synthetic pheromones. So when you spray that on, you are actually sending out those signals if your own pheromones haven't been doing that for you as much as you'd like. So fun story, when I was working at one of our Fairvilla stores, I kept noticing that we had all these customers coming in buying handfuls of Pure Instinct pheromones. So I thought to myself, geez, these are really popular. I have to ask the next person who comes in what the big deal is with these. Because I have to admit, I was a skeptic at first. But one of the customers told me that they were actually a server and that when they wear these, they actually double their tips. And I was fascinated. I was like, how could that be? So I decided to buy a bottle of my own. And I too found this amazing response when I wore the pheromones. So let me tell you a little bit about Pure Instinct. Now you're gonna see my bottle of this as my personal bottle. I keep this in my bag and it is virtually destroyed. I can't have nice things. So this has been in my bag for a while. I usually have at least one bottle on me at all times, but by the power of movie magic, I'm gonna show it to you here. So you can actually see what a bottle that is not destroyed looks like and the bottle that you will be getting if you were to buy Pure Instinct from us. Pure Instinct is amazing. This particular one is a roll-on and it goes on more like an oil, so it really sticks to your skin, and I find that it works best when I apply it several times a day, but I'll generally apply it to places that you will build up the most heat. So the sides of your neck and your cleavage, anywhere that you will get a little musky naturally. So it's kind of pumping it out in a natural way. I too have found an awesome response since using this stuff as well. What I did learn from the manufacturer is that they actually do source it synthetically, so you don't have to worry about animals being harmed, which is really awesome, and that they put both the male and female hormones in it. So this formula is unisex, which means that if you are a male or female, you can wear it to attract any sex you want. They actually found that it worked better when they put in a little of both. Now, I do have to say that this is not a love potion. What I do notice is that people linger a little bit longer. They want to talk to you more. They find you a little bit more interesting. I find that I even have a little bit more confidence when I'm using it. So it is a really awesome thing to have. And it smells good too. They do have all different formulas. The other one that I personally own is the Crazy Girl formula, Head Over Heels, and this one is really nice. This one is not a roll-on, it's a larger formula, so to see side by side you can see the difference. And this one does come in a roll-on size also, but I like the spray because I like to put it in my hair. And this one has a really, really nice light scent. This one's very floral, it's very springy, it's very pretty. They have other scents in the line, but that seems to be the one that goes over best. I tend to show pheromones during a lot of my couples classes, and I can tell you almost every time we put them out and we pass them around, people eat them up. They love them. They smell good, they make you feel good, and they definitely work. And I've had so many positive responses for people who've come back to my classes to tell me that they're re-upping their supply because they had the same experience that I did. So I hope that this taught you a little bit about how pheromones work, and I hope you're excited to try out pheromones of your own. I highly recommend those, and there are so many other brands and scents on the market as well. If you like these, check out Fairvilla stores, or you can check online at fairvilla.com. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you follow us on social media and check out our other Fairvilla University quickies. And thank you so much for joining us today. I will see you soon.